The Breville Smart Grill and Griddle is like owning 3 appliances in one. For starters, it's a fantastic panini press, but it also opens all the way flat, so you have both a griddle and a grill surface. Now, what makes this machine different from others is that both of these plates are completely removable and dishwasher safe. Makes for very easy cleanup. You'll also notice on the back of these plates, typical Breville technology, the heating element is embedded. A combination of that and the Smart Element IQ will let your grill and griddle plates heat up much quicker and retain their heat once your food is placed on top of it. Combine all that with 1,800 watts and you've got one powerful machine. Your food, like steaks and burgers, are going to cook that much faster. Another feature that differentiates the Smart Grill and Griddle from other appliances is the variable temperature control. As you turn the dial, you can see the temperature displayed in degrees, all the way from 320 to 450. Today I'd like to make a steak and eggs breakfast, so I'm going to set it at the highest setting at sear. The heating will blink as it preheats. We'll come back when it's ready. My grill is ready to go, so I'm going to place my pre-seasoned steaks right on top. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Fantastic. I'm also going to set my timer to 4 minutes, and I will flip them to the other side when the timer goes off. Now you notice what a generous cooking space this is, roughly 260 square inches. Obviously plenty of room for 2 large steaks and whatever else you'd like to cook on the other side. Another feature I really like about this grill and griddle is the adjustable cooking surface. Now it's very subtle, but right now both of my plates are tilting in toward the middle. That is adjusted with this little dial on the other side. Now the benefit of that is when they're tilted toward the middle, any extra fat will run off to the hole in the middle that is removable in this drip tray. Very easy cleanup. Just a few more minutes to go and I'll flip my steaks to the other side. All right, my steaks are ready to flip. Ooh, look at those grill marks. And you can see the non-stick surface of my grill releases the food very easily. Just a few more minutes on this side and then we'll start our eggs. I've removed my steaks and we'll let them rest for a bit. I've also lowered the temperature to the lowest setting, 320 degrees. Another great benefit of having this variable temperature control. Now right now my cooking surface is still on that tilt, so using this knob over here, I'm going to make it completely horizontal for cooking my eggs. And really you can use this griddle for cooking all sorts of your favorite breakfast foods. The panini press function is where the Breville Grill and Griddle really shines, and this is why I always prepare an extra steak. I've sliced it and I've built these gorgeous steak and egg paninis. I've buttered the tops of my bread and added a little cheese for good measure. Put them right on the hot griddle. Now you can see the temperature dial has been adjusted to the panini setting. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of making these gorgeous sandwiches. One of the really nice features about this Breville is that there are 6 adjustable height settings for this top press. Right now it's at the highest setting, which would be great if I had an open face sandwich, because then this plate would act like a broiler. But on the side arm over here, you could adjust it to 6 different heights, depending on how much force you'd like to press on your sandwich. Maybe a little bit lower. Perfect. You can really start to hear that sizzle as my panini is getting nice and roasted on the outside. A few minutes and we'll check back in. It's been just a few minutes and my paninis look finished. I love that golden brown color they get on top and those beautiful grill lines. My Breville Smart Grill and Griddle always has a place on my kitchen counter as I never run out of creative, great ways to use it.